Hello Standard 7, your Arun sir going to teach maths chapter perimeter and area, and it is part 5. Dear children, what we have discussed till today, we were discussing about the area of a triangle, and in area of triangle, what we have discussed, area of triangle, if the base and the perpendicular or the height or the altitude is given, then we use the formula area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We have also discussed if three sides are given, then we can't use this formula. If three sides are given, then we will use Heron's formula. And what is that? Area is equal to root over S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, and S is the semi-perimeter, and S is equal to the sum of three sides. Three sides are A, B and C. You will add the three sides and divide it by 2, and that is the semi-perimeter, Heron's formula. Okay, and one more formula we discussed, that if triangle is equilateral triangle when all the three sides are equal, then we use the formula area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side. If triangle is equilateral triangle, we will use this formula. We have also discussed about the Pythagoras theorem, which is applied in a right angle triangle where hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of perpendicular square and the base square. And we were discussing about the exercise 1C, in which till question number 11 we have discussed, and I have told you that if you will text me, please write exercise 1C perimeter and area, question number this, I will solve and I will send it if there is problem. If no problem, okay, all right. Let us discuss question number 12. Exercise 1C, question number 12. What is given in the figure? ABC is right angle triangle. See here, ABC is a right angle triangle. It is 9 centimeter and this is 40 centimeter, and one more perpendicular is given here. It is D. Now let us see what question is asked. Question 1. Find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, this larger triangle, and it will be equal to half into base into height, and half base is 40 centimeters and height is 9, 220 and 180 centimeter square, and this is the answer. So first question we have got that area of triangle ABC will be equal to 180 centimeter square. Now second question, length of AC. It is a right angle triangle, and in triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse. So we are discussed about the Pythagoras theorem that h square, this is the hypotenuse, or AC square or hypotenuse square is equal to P square plus B square. Our perpendicular is AB square and plus base square. Our base is BC. So we are asked to find AC. Let us put the values. AB is 9 square and BC is 40 square. 9 square we are moving. 9 nines are 81. And 4 fours are 16, double 0 means 168, sorry, 1681 AC square is equal to, and AC is equal to, if we will remove a square from here, this side square root will come 1681 square root. Now what I have told you, to find the prime factorization of 1681. Let us find prime factorization of 1681. And what we will get? I think 41 into 41, let us say 117. We can write AC is equal to root over 41 into 41, and 141 will come out. So length of AC is what? 41 centimeter. Very clear? Now one more question is there. Length of BD. We are asked to find the length of BD. Third question. See here. If we have find AC, let it be the base, and it will become height and area we are knowing. That way also we can do, because any time if we will find area, the area of triangle ABC will remain same. Okay. And in the first question we have already found the area of triangle. So we can write half into base into height is equal to area of triangle ABC. Let me put the value. Half base is AC, height will become BD, and area. What we have got? AC half, and second question was AC na? Yes, AC is equal to 41. 41. BD is the height which we have to find, and area we have got. In the first question I think area was there. Area of triangle ABC is 1 80. Now let us solve it. Leave BD here and transfer all these things this side. BD is equal to 180 into 2 by 41, and it is 360 by 41, and when you will calculate, you will get 8.78 centimeter. So understand or not? Now it is clear. Okay. Means anyhow you will find the area, it will remain same. Next question. Let us discuss question number 13. There are 3 questions in question number 13, and I will solve any one. Okay. So question 13. Let me solve question number 1 only. Question 13, 1. Find the shaded region, area of the shaded region. Okay, see here. Now, find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Dear children, what we will do? We will find the area of this large triangle ABC, and this part is unshaded. Let me write DE. Listen, if we will remove the area of triangle BDC from the area of triangle ABC, we can get the area of the shaded region. So first, let us find the area of the large triangle. So area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Now see, this one is the right angle. Let it be 15 as the base and height is 8. So half into 15 into 8. 2 4s are and 15 4s are 60. 60 centimeter square. So area of large triangle we have got, but we have to subtract the area of triangle BDC. But in BDC, height is given, base is not given, and we are knowing that BC is what? BC is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So we are knowing how to find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So what we will do? Let us find the length of BC using Pythagoras theorem. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. This part is clear that we are using Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse, and AB is 8 square and AC is 15 square. 8 square means 64 and 15 square means 225. And now it is 5, 4, 9, 6 to 8 and 2. 289 BC square is equal to, and then BC will be equal to root over 289. And what I have told you, find prime factorization of 289. Then let us say 13, no, 23. No, it is more. Let us say 13. Two 89. 17. 289 is root over 17 into 17, and it is equal to 17. So 17 centimeter, this BC we have got. Very clear? Now what we can do? Find the area of triangle BDC. Area of triangle BDC, half into base into height. Half base is BC, which got 17, and height is 4. 2 2s are 4 and 17 2s are 34. 34 centimeter. So we got area of triangle BDC. Now we are asked to find the area of the shaded region. Dear children, to find area of the shaded region, what we will do? We will subtract the unshaded region from the shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BDC. This we have to find. You can remember that what is the area of triangle ABC? Half into base into height. 60 means area of triangle ABC was 60 centimeter square, and area of triangle BDC is 34. So 60 minus 34, 26. 60 minus 24 is 34 is 26. 26 centimeter square. And this is the answer. Once more try note study. We were asked to find the area of shaded region. What I have done? We got the area of triangle ABC. And again we find the area of triangle BDC. But in BDC height was given and this BC was not given. And this is the hypotenuse of triangle ABC. So using Pythagoras theorem, we find the hypotenuse. Then when we got BC, we got the area of triangle BDC and we subtracted the area of triangle BDC from the area of triangle ABC and we got the answer. And this way we have finished this. And you have to do the rest question. In the next video, we will discuss the next part. Thank you very much.